సార్ నోటీస్. మేడం నోటీస్.
In our school, we are conducting school elections.
Those who are having interest to participate,
Those who are willing to contest, please raise your hand.
Are you participating in election?
How to participate in election?
I am very excited for school election.
Yes, we will support you.
I will also participate in election.
I will stand for you.
I will support you.
Have that capability.
Yes, I will also support you. Yes, I will support you.